to this how-to video about x-dream-Fabrik research. The research panel and the research module are part of our storytelling product suite. And here I'm logged on to x-dream-Fabrik, and in the middle of the browser we can see the research panel. That very moment, no story, no information set is selected, and for that reason the middle of the page is completely empty. When clicking on one of these existing items, we see that there's text shown. We typically call that information because this very moment it is something that we research for. The research can end in a story, or probably all goes dust and disappears because we are collecting information that very moment. But the purpose is that we create a story from that. How this is done is something that we'll show you in a moment. So first, as you have seen, there was nothing found before, so we might want to search for stories, and that's done here in this full text search type of field that gives us an easy way to access an information set. When highlighting one of that by clicking on it, I get the content to shown, and to edit one of these information sets is very simple. I just use the pencil symbol. Now you will see that it changes the look quite a bit because, let me move back to that, every kind of paragraph is shown with such a gray box behind. The reason for that is with this plus symbol here we can move it with drag and drop into an editorial board or into a story. And for the separation as a criteria we use simply an line break, and that is what we have here. There's other ways of formatting. Let me bring back one of the other stories. So for instance here we have bullet points. How does that work? Let me move into editing, and you will see we have a line break. That is what separates into boxes, so the paragraphs, and we have this minus symbol what creates a bullet point in the view, in the regular view, but here in the editorial view, and to do such additions we use one of these minus symbols. As far as I remember, there's also the option to have two minuses. Let me check what the result is. Yeah, you can see it here. That has created such an, what has it created? Yeah, it has created an additional headline. So this headline was symbolized by the two minus symbols. So let's revert that back to the original, and you will see now it's again a bullet point. The advantage is, as it's separated by paragraphs, we can move individual elements from our information set into a story, beside the possibility to move a complete information set. To delete information we have this trash bin symbol. Easy, will be asked for, do you really want to trash, and then it's gone. Important to know, this information sets here, our notes, are private notes, so that are only accessible for the person that is logged on in this very moment. Different user has his own information set, his own notes, but does not see your private information. So we keep content separate, and that way we can keep content secret. Yeah, practically that's all you need to know for the moment how to operate it. Just a small outlook. We will add quite soon the capability to also store pictures and videos. Difference is that these are files that need to be stored on the system, also in a secret place, and that's something that we are working on this very moment. Thank you so much for watching.